Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am ElectricMoves, your go-to source for Android tips and tricks. Today, I've got something special for you. A game-changing module combo that will boost the overall performance and gaming experience on your Android phones, even if they're on the lower end. The best part? No root access required. Make sure to stick around for the entire video as I guide you step by step on how to install this module. I'm excited to share this with you and enhance your Android gaming journey. Don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more awesome updates on the channel. Let's dive in and elevate your phone's potential. Ready, set, go.
Most follow me and download this app's in the Play Store. After you download all needed apps, download the file and extract IT. Follow me closely. We are one by one flashing this all modules. Most your Brevin is all reader permission, mine is all ready. Let's install the nitrogen monoxide 0.1 module. Extract IT on your internal storage. And you will see the instruction show to install it like this. And you will wait this process. And done then the no to module. Just extract IT on your internal storage like this in video. This second module is we need Shizuku and Tongits. Go to Shizuku and permission IT. I already permissioned, then go to Tongits. Type this command and execute IT:term-ux-setup-storage. Then allow. Then go to instructions, follow it, the instruction. Copy the installation, text and paste IT on Tongits. Then copy and paste the main command. You will see their thegums will fix and boost the game. And don't reboot the device. Then done, install tethered modules. Just extract IT on your internal storage, then execute IT. It seems that the modules have been flashed for a while now. And they're the main tweaks can boost your Android phones. Most follow the instructions. Just extract the mofile on your phone and locate the file on Brevin to clearly flash IT. This No.6 module is the same. Name of No.5 module, but nitrogen monoxide same on tweaks. And the last of Modulith Ripper GMSC. If you want uninstall the tweaks, just reboot your phone. If you want permanent IT, just DLNT reboot your phone. Sorry I deleted the video of CPU throttling test here, the screenshot of test.
Hello guys, are you looking to easily get 100 loads? Tongits Go has a join group activity in February. Let's download Tongits Go now, join the group, and claim 100 loads. Mission 1, tap join group now on the giant bonus draw activity. And join a group and log into the group hobby. When you first join a group, you can get 5 free props. Use these props to play games. The more you play, the more you win. And the more load you will receive. Mission 2, play 5 hands of Tongits within the group you joined. After completing this task, you are one step closer to 100 Gastars. Mission 3, obtain 100 diamonds from your group admin. By doing so, you can reach 100% of the mission progress. Congratulations! 100 Gastars will be directly sent to your account. You can swap for 100 loads. Sodexo Pass or gifts, and your load can be swapped for ML Dias, which you can use to get your favorite ML hero skins.
Now, here comes the exciting part, swapping those Go Stars for loads. Allow me to show you how easy it is. Head to the swap gift page in Tongits Go, click on the Go Stars Plus button, then select the gift option, and finally, hit Get Prepaid Load Rewards to swap for loads. It's like turning your gaming skills into free Mobile Legends loads. I can personally vouch for this because I've claimed my diamonds in Mobile Legends, and I'm finally buying that dream skin I've been eyeing for so long. All thanks to Tongits Go. Just look at my character now, isn't it beautiful? So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Download Tongits. Go today and start winning loads, diamonds, and awesome gifts. You'll find the download link in my video description or pinned comment. Let's go gamers, it's time to level up your game and score those epic rewards.